Good morning, everyone. Now, tell me what was the first property of the determinant?
The value of determinant remains the same if we take transpose of
Okay,
the
the
matrix.
first property was the determinant of the any matrix A, not any square matrix A, and determinant of their transpose should be equal. It means that if you transpose the row into column and column into row, okay, it means that it will be same. Okay, determinant value for that transposed matrix and the matrix will be the same. What was the second? What was the second? Can anyone tell me what was the second property? तो कल मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था.
Sign of determinant changes if we interchange two rows or two columns.
So by interchanging two rows or two columns, only the sign of determinant will change. Okay. Third, what was the third property?
If any two rows or columns are same,
Yeah, exactly.
then
Very,
the
very
value-
important. Very, very important, guys. This third one is
then
very
it
important.
becomes 0.
Okay. For two similar rows or column, value of determinant will be equal to 0. Value of determinant will be equal to 0. Very, 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 very important property, guys. This one. The fourth. What was the fourth? Can anyone tell me what was the fourth?
If there is a constant related with any of the rows or columns, it can be taken outside.
Okay. Then simply if I can say that here, okay, if any particular term associated with each element of any rows or any column, then we can take that term we can take that term outside from determinant. What was the fifth property? Only fourth, चार तक ही डिस्कस किए थे या पांचवा ही बताया था? Is there was any fifth property or not?
If we want to multiply,
Exactly.
yeah, the constant multiplication one.
So ways to multiply, if you want to, or what we can say that here. Any constant get multiply only in one row or only in one of that will be the appropriate. So any constant get multiply any constant or constant get, no, just a second. Constant get multiplied any one of the row, any one of the rows or columns, any one of the rows or columns, not to the all elements of determinant. Clear with this? So the constant get multiply any one of the rows or column, not to the all element of the determinant. The fifth one is also very important. Now write on sixth one. By elementary transformation, by elementary operation, you can say that by elementary operation like Ri tends to Ri plus minus k times of plus minus k times of Rg or Ci tends to Ci plus minus k times of Cj, value of determinant will be same. Value of determinant will be same. This was the sixth property. I'll take this property. I'll take the each and every property, the proof of every property. So don't worry about it. Okay. So the by elementary operation, we know the what is the elementary operation? Yes. How many types of elementary operation we have, guys? Can anyone tell me how many types of elementary operation we have? Rati?
6.
6 type. Okay, 3 from the rows and 3 from the column in the matrices. Can you tell me what was the operation or transformation we have?
Addition.
Not the addition.
Addition of rows and columns.
Interchange.
Interchange.
Okay, interchange of what? Rows into column or kya?
Rows into rows and columns.
Rows.
Yeah, rows into rows or column into column. Okay, rows into rows means rows into rows or column into column. The second was by multiplying or dividing any specific row or column by a particular constant. And third was this elementary operation Ri. You can transform any rows or any column with the help of the above rows or below rows. कोई भी एक particular rows को row के help से आप किसी एक row को transform कर सकते हो, and whatever the we wrote in the property 6, same operation वहां लगा सकते हो. If you do the same operation here in determinant, the value of the determinant will not change. It will be as it is. It will be the same. Okay, I'll prove all this. Okay, so don't worry about it. Now write on the seventh one. The seventh one. We can split a single determinant or we can split or it was the one what I can say that we can split a particular I don't know this. There is a little bit right now like this. If any rows or column of determinant is associated with 2 or more than 2 terms, और आप अभी तक 2 ही टर्म पे रहो तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, 2 से ज्यादा हमें पढ़ना भी नहीं, तो हम ऐसे मतलब याद बात करते हैं कि इफ एनी रोज और कॉलम ऑफ द डिटरमिनेंट इज एसोसिएटेड विद द 2 रोज और रोज नहीं, 2 terms, then we can convert a single determinant into the sum of 2 determinant. Sum of 2 determinant. So these are the 7th property. Okay, these are the 7th property that you have to remember. Actually in NCERT it is given as a 6, but I add this the 4th one by multiplying the constant wala. The 5th one is not there. Okay, 5th one is not there, so I added there. तो इसके वजह से 7 प्रॉपर्टी यहाँ पे हो गया है, but NCERT में आपको 6 मिलेगा. Okay, so these are the 7 property that you have to remember every time. Okay, every time मतलब आपको दिमाग में रहना ही चाहिए. If you want to solve, seriously, if you want to solve the determinant problem, these property will be very important. I am repeating again. Okay, फिर से repeat कर रहा हूँ. तो आप लोगों को याद रखना चाहिए कि by interchanging rows into column means rows into column means what we are doing the transpose of the matrix. So by taking transpose of the matrix, value of the determinant will not change. By interchanging any 2 rows, okay, by interchanging any 2 rows or 2 columns, the only sign of determinant will change for 2 similar rows or column. Okay, in a particular determinant, the value of determinant will be equal to 0 if any particular terms associated with each element, okay, of any rows or column, then we can take that term outside from the determinant. The constant get multiply any one of the rows or column, not to the all the element of the determinant. Okay, by elementary transformation, the value of determinant will not change. Okay, if any rows or column of a determinant is associated with 2 terms, then we can convert a single determinant into the sum of the 2 determinant. Now we'll start to prove all this. Okay, the first, what is the, we'll prove the first property. And the first property is by interchanging the rows into column, the value of determinant will not change. Just suppose if you have the matrix A that is 1 2 3 4, what will be their transpose? Iska transpose batao koi? Can anyone tell me the transpose of this? The
1 3
first row, first column, first row, or first row, first column. So 1 2 3 4. Now if you calculate determinant value here, determinant of A कितना हो जाएगा? This is the 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Now if you calculate determinant value of the transpose of the matrix, convert करने और 4 minus 6 कितना आ जाएगा बोलो? 4 minus 6, it is minus 2. So first property we proved here. By interchanging the rows into column and column into rows, okay, the value of determinant remains same. The second property we have, by interchanging 2 rows or a column, the only sign of the determinant will change. So suppose if you have determinant A equal to same thing here, the 1 2 3 4, okay, and the determinant B, let's assume that determinant B will be the interchanging of these rows. पहले रो को सेकंड रो में बना दो और सेकंड रो को फर्स्ट रो में कन्वर्ट कर दो, means 3 4 and 1 2. Now find the determinant here. Determinant of A will be the 4 minus 6, that is a minus 2. What about determinant of B here? So 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4 is what? 2. So look at this, only the change, the value will not change, only sign will change if you interchange the row into column or column into rows. Not row into 2 rows, if you interchange 2 rows or 2 columns, not row into column. Okay. Third, what is third? If any particular term associated with each element of any row or any columns, then we can take them outside from the determinant. Let's assume that suppose if we have A, B, A plus B plus C, okay, then B, C, A plus B plus C, and then suppose C, A plus B plus C. Okay, if we look at the column third, if you look at, suppose this is the determinant A. Okay, if you look at the column third, now can we say that a particular term, that is A plus B plus C, is associated with the column third? So in such situation, you can take the A plus B plus C outside of the determinant, and then you will get the A, B, C, B, C, A, 1, 1, 1. Clear with this property third, everyone? Just let me know. Sri Hari, समझा?
एक मिनट
Vidhi, your video is off. Turn on the video, Vidhi.
Sir, actually, my textbook is also on the phone and I'm joining from the phone, so the video switches off.
Okay. But there is no need of textbook, I think. Now, so this is clear. The property third, the property four. What is the property four? If any particular term associated with each element of, okay, the fourth is done now. Third is not done. Okay, this was the fourth. Okay, what about third? Third क्या कह रहा है? फिर two similar rows. Suppose if you have the A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, okay, then 2A, 2B, 2C. Now tell me, which is similar here? The second column or third column? कौन सा column यहाँ पे same है?
First and third.
So can we say that column one is similar to the what? Column one is similar to column third. If column one is similar to the column third, it means that आप क्या कर सकते हो? इन पूरे determinant का value कितना हो जाएगा? Determinant का value कितना हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा. Now if you want to write down this ना, so you can take the 2 outside because 2 हर एक term से, तो 2 को बाहर निकाल लो, क्या मिलेगा? A square A, B square B, and C square C. Now look at the column first and column third. ये दोनों क्या same है. And because of that, if two columns are same or identical or similar, in such situation, determinant value of the determinant equal to 0. आप यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट भी करके देखोगे तो भी 0 हो जाएगा. और एक बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट, यदि किसी भी डिटर्मिनेंट का एक रोज पर्टिकुलर रो और पर्टिकुलर कॉलम का एलिमेंट यदि 0 है, एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ पर्टिकुलर रो है, आई एम राइटिंग द 8th प्रॉपर्टी हियर. ओके, 8th property. If every element of any row or column is 0, then the value of determinant, value of determinant equal to 0. Then the value of determinant equal to 0. Very important. Okay, the value of determinant equal to 0. So the fourth property clear? Yes. Fourth property clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
the fifth one. Suppose if we have the determinant A equal to, like 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to find out the 2A. So if you multiply with the 2 here, then this 2 will get multiply any one of the row or one of the column. एक ही row में multiply कर सकते हो और एक ही column में multiply कर सकते हो. Let's assume that I am multiplying the second row. तो कितना हो जाएगा? 2, 3, 8, 5. So not 5, 10. 2, 3, 8, 10. This is the property of the what? Fifth property. कि आप किसी particular constant से multiply करना चाहते हो, तो वो constant multiply होगा किसमें? किसमें multiply होगा? किसी एक particular row और किसी एक particular column. ठीक है? Now better bit यहाँ पे ना, आप एक काम करो, 2 को इधर ले लो. Let's assume this is the B, okay? और आपने यहाँ पे क्या किया? आपने R2 में आपने 2 times of R2 किया है. बस आप इस नया एक मैट्रिक्स बनेगा और इनका वैल्यू, दोनों का वैल्यू अलग होगा. वैल्यू विल नॉट सेम, द वैल्यू विल बी डिफरेंट. Okay, what was the sixth property? Can anyone tell me what was the sixth property? Just read out.
By elementary operation, Ri is Ri plus
Okay.
Arj.
So suppose if you
Value
have
of
the
determinant remains.
exactly. Suppose if you have the determinant A equal to the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 2 3 4 determinant equal 1 2. Now I am doing the operation कि R1 tends to R1 plus 2 times of R2. What will be the new determinant? क्या मिलेगा? कितना मिल जाएगा बोलो? R1 tends to 2 times of R2. डबल इसमें मल्टीप्लाई सेकंड रो में डबल करो और उसको पहले से ऐड करो तो ये कितना हो जाएगा 6 और ये कितना हो जाएगा 8. तो I'll get here 7. So 6 plus 1 7, 8 plus 2 10. Okay, what about here? The 3 and 4. Now if you calculate the determinant value for this 1 2 3 4 कितना आ जाएगा determinant of A? What determinant of A here? The 4 minus a minus 2. And what about determinant of this part? Determinant of B here? 28 minus 30, that is a minus 2. So by doing the operation, by doing the elementary operation, the value of determinant does not change. Look at this. The value of determinant क्या है? Same है. What was the next property? 7th one. Suppose a particular row or particular column like x, y, z, p, q, r, a, b, c, and there suppose the alpha, beta, a, b, c. So the alpha, here is beta, and here is gamma is added. Means a particular row, क्या लिखा था? A particular row or column have more than one or have two terms, then you can split the determinant into two different parts or two different determinant. तो अभी जो पहला determinant बनाऊंगा वो क्या बनाऊंगा? X, फिर क्या? Y और Z, then P, Q, R, okay, A, B, C, the plus. और दूसरा determinant क्या बनेगा? With the help of alpha, beta, gamma. This is the beta, gamma, P, Q, R, okay, A, B, C. So this is the property. If you, any rows or any column, मतलब कोई भी particular row और column में यदि उसके elements में दो term हैं, okay, उसके element में दो term है, तो आप उसको दो different determinant में break कर सकते हो. तीन term होगा तो तीन different determinant में break हो सकता है. Clear with this? The seventh property. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. इनका मतलब ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि इसका जो डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू होगा दैट विल बी द सम ऑफ द डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू ऑफ दिस एंड सम ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट वैल्यू ऑफ दिस. आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो. ओके, लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी क्या बताया था? किसी भी पर्टिकुलर एट्थ प्रॉपर्टी बताया था कि इफ द एनी डिटरमिनेंट, सपोज वी विल हैव ऑल द एलिमेंट इक्वल टू 0, ऑल द एलिमेंट इक्वल टू व्हाट? 0, लाइक 2 3 5 8 7 6, विदाउट थिंकिंग एनीथिंग. ओके, आप इनका डायरेक्ट वैल्यू कितना लिख सकते हो? 0 लिख. वैल्यू ऑफ दिस डिटरमिनेंट विल बी इक्वल टू 0. These are the 8 property that you have to remember every time. Now, let's switch to some question on the basis of this concept. You will get the question, type of question basically here on the basis of the, what we can say, the properties of determinant. So on the basis of properties of determinant, on the basis of property of determinant, जो आपको क्वेश्चन मिलेगा, ओके, you will get without expanding types of question. Without expanding type of question. किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आपको करना है? Without expanding type of question. What is the meaning of without expanding, sir? Okay, now suppose you have, if you have a determinant like this, 1 2 4 6 and 1 2 4, let's assume that take this as a 3, तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, ये 3 ले लो. 1 2 3 6, 1 2 3 6. Now if you want to find out, और आपका इच्छा है कि यहाँ पे डिटरमिनेंट हम निकालें, तो कैसे निकालेंगे हम लोग? 1 into 6 minus 3 into 2, and it will be turn as 6 minus 6, it equal to what? 0. But suppose same determinant I can solve like this also, 1 2 3 6. 1 2 3 6. Can we say that कि 3 यहाँ पे भी क्या है 3 है और यहाँ पे भी 3 है, तो कैन आई टेक 3 कॉमन फ्रॉम द रो सेकंड? देखो ना यहाँ पे 3 into 1 है ना, यहाँ पे क्या है 2 into 3 है, मतलब इन द R2 में क्या है 3 कॉमन है दोनों एलिमेंट में, तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ 3 को बाहर निकाल लूंगा। जैसे आप 3 को बाहर निकालोगे यहाँ क्या मिलेगा 1 2 1 2. Okay, now can we say that here R1 is equal to what? R2. When two rows are similar, identical or same, then what is the value of determinant? In such case, the value of determinant will be equal to 3 into इसका कितना value आ जाएगा 0. The answer will be 0. So this is the with the help of property. ये किसके help से हमने किया? Property के help से. और ये किसके help से हमने किया? With expansion. With expansion. Clear with the guys? What is the meaning of without expansion? Without expansion means by using the properties of determinant, you have to prove. Okay, you have to prove that the certain determinant equal to this and certain determinant equal to that. Clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो अभी मैं आपको दो चीज यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट बात करने वाले हैं, तो उस पर ध्यान दीजिए. Without expanding means क्या होता है? What is the meaning of without expanding? What is the meaning? Means using the property of determinant. Using the properties of the determinant. Now, listen. यहाँ पे दो पॉइंट याद रखना है. और पहला कि we can expand a determinant about only one element. Maximum only one non-zero element. Non-zero element. Okay, of any row or column. Of any row of any rows of. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट बताया हूं, इसी से आपको क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होगा कि there will be a certain situation, okay, you will get it by solving the question. At that time आपको ना मतलब ऐसा कुछ ऐसा होगा कि मतलब प्रूफ ही नहीं हो रहा होगा, सिर्फ प्रॉपर्टी आप लगा रहे हो फिर भी आपको प्रूफ नहीं मिल रहा है. तो there is the one term we can say that कि आप एक एलिमेंट के अबाउट क्या कर सकते हो, एक्सपांड कर सकते हो. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू विल गेट द 3/3 मैट्रिक्स, 3/3 डिटरमिनेंट. जो 3/3 का डिटरमिनेंट रहेगा तो उसमें से ओके, यदि आप 3/3 का डिटरमिनेंट करते हो तो आपके पास कितने एलिमेंट हो जाते हैं एक रो में? 3 एलिमेंट होते हैं. तो आप 3 एलिमेंट के अबाउट एक्सपांड नहीं कर सकते हो. 3 एलिमेंट के अबाउट एक्सपांड नहीं कर सकते हो. आपको किसी भी एक एलिमेंट के अबाउट एक्सपांड करना होगा. मींस इफ यू वांट टू एक्सपांड अबाउट दिस एलिमेंट, तो आपको इन दोनों एलिमेंट को कितना करना पड़ेगा 0, इसको भी कितना करना पड़ेगा 0. मींस मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू विल गेट द 3/3. इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूं कि यदि 3/3 का है तो आपको दो एलिमेंट किसी भी रो और किसी भी कॉलम का 0 करके तब एक एलिमेंट के अबाउट क्या कर सकते हो, आप एक्सपांड कर सकते हो. ओके, दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दूसरा चीज आपको जो हमेशा याद रखना है वो बाय यूजिंग प्रॉपर्टी. आपको हमेशा क्या करना होगा, बाय यूजिंग प्रॉपर्टी. जो दिया गया है उसको आप प्रूव करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा. जो दिया गया है उसको क्या कर सकते हैं, प्रूव कर सकते हैं. So these 2 points is very important. First, we can expand a determinant about the only one, okay, one non-zero element of any rows or column. और दूसरा क्या कर सकते हैं, by using the properties. So these 2 things we have to use for solving the without expanding type of question. Okay. Now I will switch to the question. थोड़ा सा आप वेट कीजिए, देखिए अब क्वेश्चन में आपको पता चले. Okay. Now look at the question first. What is the question we have here? Using the property of determinant and without expanding in exercise 127, prove that. It is strictly mentioned over there. Okay, without expanding means you don't have to expand this. Okay, एक भी एलिमेंट का बॉडी आप एक्सपांड नहीं कर सकते हो आप. तो without expanding you have to prove that this. चलो देखते हैं क्या होता है। पहले तो इसमें से हमें कुछ क्वेश्चन को हटा देना चाहिए। Just a second, guys. Look at the question first. What is the question first? What is the question? We have to prove the value of this determinant equal to 0, but without expanding. What is LHS? Then can you help me for this? What is LHS? The X, Y, Z,
A, B, C,
C, X plus A,
plus A, Y plus B,
Y plus B,
Z
and
plus-
Z plus C. Listen, we have to prove the value of this determinant equal to 0. Very, very careful. Okay. अब हर एक क्वेश्चन में अलग-अलग कंसेप्ट, हर एक क्वेश्चन। So it is a very important कि आप समझने की कोशिश करो। हर एक क्वेश्चन मैं सॉल्व नहीं कर पाऊंगा, तो आपको समझना पड़ेगा। Okay. The value of we have to prove that the value of this determinant equal to 0. Okay. और कितने सिचुएशन में वैल्यू ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट इक्वल टू 0 होता है? आप लोगों को मैंने बताया है कि यदि सारे के सारे कॉलम का और रो का एलिमेंट यदि 0 हो जाए तो क्या होता है? एक पर्टिकुलर रो और कॉलम का एलिमेंट 0 हो जाए तो होता है। दूसरा क्या, यदि दो आइडेंटिकल रो मिलते हैं तब होता है। ओके, नाउ इन दोनों सिचुएशन में 0 हो सकता है, बट बिफोर दैट आप एक प्रॉपर्टी को याद करो कि इफ एनी पर्टिकुलर रो और कॉलम इज एसोसिएटेड विद द मोर देन वन टर्म्स, देन वी कैन स्प्लिट इनटू टू डिफरेंट डिटरमिनेंट। तो आप कॉलम 3 को थोड़ा सा देखिए। कॉलम 3 में 2 टर्म है, यहाँ पे भी, यहाँ पे भी, यहाँ पे। ओके, तो क्या इनको हम दो डिटरमिनेंट में ब्रेक कर सकते हैं? बोलो। if I want to break this into two determinants, तो क्या मिलेगा? X, Y, Z. After that, the A, B, C. What about here? X, Y, Z. Okay. Then plus दूसरा क्या होगा बोलो? The X, Y, Z. The A, B, C. What about here? The A, B, C. Now for this determinant, if you look at this determinant, यहाँ पे क्या है? इसमें क्या कॉमन है बोलो? Column 1 is equal to column 3. What about here? Column 2 is equal to column 3, and if two rows or two columns is same, it means the value of this determinant will be equal to 0, and the value of determinant equal to 0, and this is equal to 0, and this is your right side. Clear with this, everyone? Is there any problem? Ask me right now. किसी को भी कुछ तकलीफ है? Srihari, are you getting all this? Vidhi?
Yes, sir.
Navya, Pragati, Mahak?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll switch to the next question. Just a second.